Hi everyone, welcome to Let's Play RC, and what is this, you ask? This is us showing you guys how to drain water right out of tires. But that's not how you do it. So coming up. So we don't need this chair here, so let's fold that baby up and put it on. So, anyway, like I was saying, on this channel we do all things RC, such as tips, tricks, reviews, and upgrades, as well as some repairs and awesome run videos. So let's get right into her. So like I said, guys, I'm gonna just get started on this, and also don't forget to stay tuned all the way through the video because we will also have additional tips which will be later on at the end, so stay tuned. The main reason you want to empty these out is because it's really unbalanced if you don't, which will make the tire go boom, 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 and it'll make the truck go like this. I think I got a little too carried away, but that's okay. Anyway, and that's not good for your motor either because of the extra weight and the clunking. It'll make it overheat and it's extra power on it. You need a smaller drill, and you also need a smaller bit, around like 3/32 size or something around that size like that. So anyway, I'm gonna show you guys how to get right into her. So I'm gonna bring the camera in, okay? So that I can drill this in close so you guys can see what I'm getting. First, I'm gonna find any spot really you want. You wanna drill down until the tire comes back up. And then you wanna reverse it and drill back out. And then straight across from that, you wanna drill another hole. Make sure you get it straight across as good as you can. And then once again, once the tire comes up, you're gonna reverse out. You guys can see how water's gushing out of there. And then you want to go in the boat in the middle of the two you just drilled. And then right across from that one, once again, you want to drill another hole, and I'll show you guys the process of all 4 tires, and then I'll meet you back on the video. Okay, so I put the battery in, and first you have to reassemble the tires, and then you want to put a battery in, plug it in, make sure you lock it down or your battery's probably gonna go somewhere. And then you want to turn the remote on, then you want to turn your truck on, and then hold it in a tight position where your hand's not going to get in here or anything. So this is a good spot for a stampede. Anyway, I'd recommend holding it with your stronger hand, unless you're both-handed. So lots of water is going crazy and washing the body at the same time. It's a car wash. Washing the truck too. The waters came out. So I'm gonna keep it going. Look, it's literally raining. Well, that was fun, and now I've had a shower, so we're all good. So, I said that I would share a couple tips at the end of the video, and then those are actually, like, that's how water gets in. So you want to seal it with electric tape, or you can also use silicone, but remember silicone takes a little while to dry. But we usually don't because we're not usually planning on going in water. It just kind of happens. There's no point in doing this if you've put silicone or electric tape on your holes already because your tires won't be full of water. So you won't get to make it right, which is good. But anyway, bye-bye guys. Don't forget to like, share, as well as subscribe right down in the bottom right corner. And also, don't forget to hit that notification bell. And we'll see you next time. Get out and play. So see you later, guys.